In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address on Booksy. Whether you've recently moved or just need to correct an existing address, keeping your information up to date is crucial for clients to find you easily. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, we need to head over to Booksy.com. Once you've arrived on the website, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where we'll access your account, so you'll need to enter your email or username along with your password. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct, then click Sign In to proceed. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your profile settings. In the top right corner, you'll find your profile picture or your initials, depending on what you've set previously. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here, you'll want to select either Settings or Business Profile, which might vary depending on your specific account type. This will take us to the area where we can make the necessary changes. Next, you'll find yourself in the Settings menu. Take a look at the options listed on the left-hand side. We're interested in business information or contact details, so go ahead and click on that. This section contains all the vital details about your business, including your address, which is what we're going to update today. Once you're in the correct section, locate the address field. This is typically marked clearly and should stand out among the other details. Click into the address box, and here's where you can type your new address. While entering your new details, make sure to double check for any typos. It's important to ensure that the map pin also updates to reflect your new location accurately. This visual confirmation is helpful not just for you, but it also ensures clients will have no trouble finding you. After you've entered your new address and confirmed that everything is correct, it's time for the final step, saving your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll find the Save or Update button. Click that, and your new address is now officially updated on your Booksy profile. With these changes saved, your new address will appear both on your profile and your booking page, making it straightforward for anyone trying to get in touch or find you physically. Keeping this information current ensures your clients can always find you without any hitches. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.